missed it, man. We were fighting about shirts on.
Wait, I don't know if it's working.
my.
How can you tell if it's recording? Oh, it says stop. So does that mean it's
That
working?
means it's recording.
Okay. Just kidding. Go.
It's just like, whatever.
That's okay. You want to know what I thought about Vince when I first got here?
Huh?
So do you want to know what I thought about Vince when I first
What?
got here? I can't tell you. I'm recording this.
I'm not mad. I like his shorts. One for his reveals.
No, not when I first got here. When I first got to college. Hit him, Vince. Ow!
I've been that one before.
It's lovely, but I'm gonna look over here.
Hmm?
I said, this is lovely, but I'm gonna look over here. Yeah, there's no other camera. No, when I first got to college, I thought, I'm like, dude, he looks like he's high, like 24/7.
I know.
I just didn't want him to hear me
We
say
put
that.
that on the video.
Oh, snap! I take it all back. Just kidding, folks. It's a joke. Wow, that looks compromising. Well, not so much, really.
Yeah, all the breeze.
Alright, come on.
Hmm?
Get in the middle.
Oh, the what? Oh! I just got it.
It's recording.
I am recording!
No, lay down.
I can't see you both.
That's not fair.
Back to the middle. That way you don't hit your head on the lay down.
Doo-doo-doo.
Ready? Set down.
Ready, set, bam, go. They're gonna hurt each other. That's
I don't
not
fight like
cool.
that. I don't want to get hit.
I would cry.
Oh!
Ow.
Done? She done?
Ow.
I know. Does this make me look fat? I thought my
All I
tummy
know
was
is
fat.
if you ever get on top, I'm screwed. Wow, that one hurt.
This arm.
I don't know. I don't really want to know.
Yeah. This sucks. Ow.
You have one woman's never going to give up. You know that, right?
I know. We might as well go watch the movie.
Ow, crap, it's taking over my crap, I love when that hurt.
Well, this is fun. Didn't you make sure no one followed us here? Didn't you make sure no one followed us here? Then we're good.
Oh, wow. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Stars.
You know how when you wear like a tight undershirt or something,
Oh,
and
boy.
it's like is form-fitting, it makes you feel like your undershirt is like this. I always like
You're always like,
like, wait a minute, just kidding. Wow, that's beautiful, guys.
Oh, crap. This is going to suck. This is going to suck.
oh. Get him off, Caleb. Get him off. Caleb, get him off.
You're all like worried. Like
I know,
laughing.
there's no way to be happy now.
Does Vince have anger issues that we never knew about?
I think so. I think both do. I know about killing stuff.
Oh,
Cheating.
that was cheap. That's a lovely view. Here, you want to do it? Here.
I am.
Can't you like zoom in? How do I zoom? Ooh, that's not what I want. That's what I want. How do I zoom in?
Push the, push it again. Push the bottom. Oh,
Ooh.
no, go back out. Just kidding.
Oh.
Oh, God, we finally got that zoomed in.
Oh. Caleb, get up now.
Say uncle. You're so, like, worried that they're going to... silly window.
Look, he's hurting him.
Say uncle.
Sorry, Caleb, the shaking in this video is when I'm laughing. Don't hurt him.
Okay, now.
Hey, stop, down. Come on. Go back and move.
Good job.
Oh, my finger. Sorry.
What mount did I have on you? I don't remember. What?
I love you.
What mount did I have on you? I don't remember. I don't know. I know it hurt. From a half mount. Yeah, something like that. I know what it was. Just like I did on you, except you're a little bit different. Get it into my... Now go for a sweep. So, one leg is right here, one is right here. Like this, just about. Okay? Next second. Go. You're not getting the leg out. Not normal, girlfriend.
Please be careful.
Oh, I punched myself. Oh, that hurts me.
Oh, hilarious this looks on here.
No, it looks right there.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
You can do it. Ouch.
Okay,
No. I don't know. It's in VeggieTales.
I don't ever watch VeggieTales.
Well, I'm sorry, but I remember.
Do you want me to stop recording now?
Yeah.